The REMADE membership is key because it is the Institute really provides an ecosystem that focuses on circular economy. And as such, you find people and entities that have the same vision, that work on the same vision on circularity, and it allows this great network with people that have the same interest. Second, I would say that you, of course, launch projects. You launch projects that are linked to circular economy and that you cannot carry on your own. So you're finding really competencies within the Institute that you do not have internally, and therefore you can carry the projects and execute them really. And third, I would say, and not last, is really the funding. The funding that REMADE through the Department of Energy provides is key because it allows really the exploration of new ideas that maybe companies will not do on their own. I think the REMADE investment is key because it allows really the development of ideas that have high stakes, but also that have high risks. And usually industries and especially large corporations are a bit risk adverse. It's difficult for a company to really make investments in technologies that are have high risk. So this is where REMADE comes in. This is where the government comes in by providing funding and allowing really companies to seek technologies that can provide rupture innovations, provide high stakes, but also are high risk. Right? So I think that's where the funding comes in, and that's where in the projects that we have run with REMADE we have tried to benefit from.